pickup falls for the long play, with its silent love for a song, where the cuts and scratches circles into a call. You will catch me when I fall. You will catch me when I fall. And the paintings pick up all the light in the hall until nighttime took it all. Now both paper and paint is coming off these walls, whispering, catch us if we fall. Who will catch us when we fall? And the old pickup truck finds a parking spot with a midnight radio on. In a park nearby, a ruined statue cries, catch me if I fall. Will you catch me when I fall? And the preacher hide behind his pulpit fall, with his hands crossed against his heart, and the people all fall into the church hall, calling our Father. When we fall, will you catch us when we fall? And the child there dancing with a flower in her hair, crying, Mother, please one last dance. Tonight let's turn, turn, turn until sleep, and you will catch me when I fall. Mother, catch me when I fall.